महाराज की
जय।
Radhe Radhe. Today, by the immense grace of our Guru Maharaj, His Holiness Maharanyam Shri Shri Muralidhara Swami Ji, we will relish the meaning of this lovely work of our Guru Maharaj, Premika Varadan Ashtakam. Generally, when we go to Kshetras, we understand and relish the divine Sannidhi of Bhagavan, knowing when we go to Tirumala, we know the greatness of Venkatesha Swami. When we go to different Kshetras, we basically know the Kshetra Mahatmyam and go and relish the darshan of the Swami, right? In this divine work of Premika Varadan Ashtakam, our Guruji very sweetly describes us the karuna of our Premika Varadan. So when we come to Namadwar, we always submit our prayers to our Premika Varadan and Madhuri Sakhi, and we feel have all of us have that anubhava of how our Thakurji is fulfilling our prayers, right? In this 8 verses, our Swamiji is describing the greatness of our Premika Varadan. So what we will do is, we will recite each verse and relish the meaning of each of this verse. That way, when we come to Namadwar every week, when we enter this Kshetra, we know the greatness of our Premika Varadan. So we'll all recite the first verse together. Karuna Pangaleshena Prema Bhakti Pradayakam Mandanam Abhidinana Premika Varadam Bhaje. This is such a lovely verse because in this verse our Guruji is giving hope for all the bhaktas. Especially for a person like me, I always feel I'm not that pure, I'm not that good. How will I get bhakti? Many of us have this thought, right? Prema bhakti is the topmost bhakti, but I'm not there yet. But how will I get bhakti? Nama nama avlo solradilliye. We are not able to chant that much of nama to get that prema bhakti. How will we get prema bhakti? We always have that thought, yeah. We don't have to worry about it. Because in this verse, Guruji is giving us hope. How? It is Bhagavan's karuna. It is not our sadhana. It is not our effort that we get prema bhakti. Karuna pangaleshena, with his compassionate eyes, our Premika Varadan is looking at us. Even mandanam api dinanam, even a papishti who is not even deserve his kripa, just by his karuna, our Premika Varadan is able to bless us with prema bhakti. This is the, I would say, the topmost thing in our Bhagavata Dharma, in our Premika Sampradaya, where we always hear from our Guruji that we get bhakti through kripa more than our sadhana. So in this verse, our Guruji is reiterating that we will be able to get Prema Bhakti by the Kataksham of our Premika Varadan. So let's go to the next verse. Everybody together. Nityam Madhura Puri Meva Bhavayan Shivanam Sada Divya Leela Kelilolam Premika Varadam Bhaje. This is also another sweet verse. Every verse is a very sweet verse. Our Ramona always says, for us, for our Satsang Bhaktas, Madhurapuri Ashram is Vrindavan, where our Premika Varadan and Madhuri Sakhi always perform the divine leelas that happens in Vrindavan. So many times we go to Vrindavan because we keep hearing about all the Vrindavana sweet leelas. But such divine leelas are also happening in our Madhurapuri ashram. For us, many times we are not able to go to Vrindavan. We don't have to worry because our ashram itself is Vrindavan. And in one of the lovely pravachans, Ramona also says every Namadwar is Vrindavan. Why? Because there is Premika Vardhan and Madhuri Sakhi here in every Namadwar, and each one of us have that anubhava of something in within a Namadwar. Our prayers getting fulfilled. When we come here, we feel peaceful. So even if you are not able to go to Vrindavan, our Premika Vardhan and Madhuri Sakhi are performing those divine leelas in Namadwar and Madhurapuri ashram. That's the lovely meaning of this verse. Let's go to the next one. Spikurvan nija bhaktanam kaikaryani cha kautukam santushtam teshu sadadam premika varadam bhaje. This is another lovely verse. It's very, very applicable for each one of us because everybody here are in some way doing some seva to Namadwar all the times. Here our Guruji is saying, I pray to that Premika Vardhan, and what is his guna? He accepts our kainkarya. Whatever seva that we do for our Premika Vardhan, he doesn't look at how perfect we are doing it. It is totally opposite from the world. Even at work or somewhere else, even among your friends, if you see, they will find one thing that you said wrong. They will remember one thing where you failed. But Bhagavan is always looking at that intent. So when we do something with love, even if it is not perfect, our Premika Vardhan is accepted. That is the greatness of our Premika Vardhan. Same with Guruji also. Let's go to the next verse. Swadeshe cha videshe cha swabhaktan manarupashritan yasyam sankalpa madrena premika varadam bhaje. So our Premika Vardhan is always protecting his bhaktas. It's not only when we are at Namadwar. Even if we are here, if we go outside, but Bhagavan has done the sankalpa to protect us. So wherever we are, Bhagavan is always protecting us because he has taken that sankalpam to protect us. That is why Swadeshe cha Videshe cha. Even if you are here or in the outside world, wherever we go, Madhurapuri, yeah, in this verse, yeah, in India, in Madhurapuri ashram, or even if you are outside India, wherever you are, our Premika Vardhan is always protecting us because he has taken that lovely sankalpa to protect his bhaktas. Next one. Sakar darshana danena bhakta chitta vaharakam mohanam manmatakaram Premika Varadam bhaje. Our Premika Vardhan, even if you take his darshan only once, just once you have gone and taken his darshan, then he will steal your heart. He steals the heart of all the bhaktas, and the sweetness is his beauty cannot be explained. It surpasses the beauty of Manmata. Generally, if somebody is very handsome, very beautiful, we say Manmata is the comparison, but Bhagavan Krishna's beauty is even more than that Manmata. So that is the sweetness of this verse, and how Bhagavan is waiting to steal the heart of his bhaktas. That is one of the qualities of Shri Krishna. So he will do Akarshana. So once you experience that connection with our Premika Vardhan, you cannot go anywhere else. Because that one-on-one connection with him is so sweet, so relishable. Once you have tasted that nectar, you cannot even give your heart to anybody else because he took your heart away. Such a lovely verse. Next one. वहन्तं दृढभक्तानां भारान् सहजलीलया इहापि परलोकेऽपि प्रेमिकवरदं भजे. Our Premikavaradan carries our burdens. Generally, we have so many burdens, we are worries and all. Once you leave it to our Premikavaradan, we don't have to worry about it because he is going to carry our burdens, not just in this world. Ihapi paralokepi. Even after you leave this world also, if you have some karma, Bhagavan will take care of it. We don't have to worry. Just like our Bhagavan Shri Krishna is lifting the Govardhana effortlessly. In this verse, Guruji is saying, Bharan Sahaja Leelaya, effortlessly, easily he is carrying our burdens. So we all can stay happy with the thought that Krishna is carrying our burden. Why should I keep it in my head? When I come to Namadhar, let me give it to him. So let him carry my burdens. Let me happily chant Nama and do Kainkarya. Next one. Nityati Shri Hare Nama Sadhyo Bhaktanane Swayam Yat Sannidau Sampravishte Premikavaradam Bhaje. This verse, our Guruji says, I worship that Premikavarada. When you come to his Sannidhi, Hari Nama is dancing in our tongues. Many of us would have experienced that either at Namadwar or in the Madhurapuri ashram. It is difficult to chant Nama for hours. In one of the question and answer session with Guruji, one Bhakta asked Guruji, when I am doing Parayanam or when I am singing bhajans, I am able to do it for hours. 4 hours, 5 hours, we all, many times we have done Dasamaskanda Parayanam, we are able to sit and do Parayanam. But when I am trying to chant Nama, I am finding it difficult. Where Guruji says, that is because when we are doing Parayanam or singing, our mind is attentive. We want to make sure whatever I am saying, the next word should be correct, or whatever I am singing, I have to sing in Shruti, Talam, so many things, so our mind is alert. But when we are chanting Nama, our mind is not alert. So that is why we get bored and we are not able to do it. Even though it is so simple and easy, we are not able to do it for a long time. But when you are in the Sannidhi of our Premikavaradan and Madhuri Sakhi at Namadwar or at Madhurapuri ashram, all of us would agree how easily 1 hour, 2 hours, we have done 6 hours Akanta Nama. All kids sit 6 hours effortlessly. That is because of the greatness of the Sannidhi of Premikavaradan. Here Guruji is saying Premikavaradan makes Nama, Harinama dance in our tongue, in his Sannidhi, because he is giving us the power to chant to our restless minds, which otherwise is unable to focus. When we try to do it at home, first we will think, okay, let me sit and chant, and then mind will say, oh, walk and chant, do dishwashing and chant, do that and chant. At the end of the day, we would not have focused in the Nama at all. That is what happens. But when we do it in Namadwar, we are able to focus. That is the greatness of presence of our Premikavaradan and Madhuri Sakhi. Next one. Salilam Prema Samrajya Rajendram Madhuri Sakhi Srishtam Simhasanarudam Premikavaradam Bhaje. In this verse, where Guruji says, I worship Shri Premikavaradan, who is the king of this Prema Samrajya, where he is residing along with our Madhuri Sakhi and blessing us. This is such a beautiful 8th verse, Premikavaradan Ashtakam, in which Guruji says, he gives bhakti irrespective of how we are. We don't have to worry about our qualification at all. And he accepts our Kainkarya. Whatever small thing we do, he accepts our Kainkarya. He's protecting us all the time and he's capturing our heart and he's carrying our burdens And he is the one who is making Nama come in our tongue. And ultimately he is drawing us towards that Prema Samrajya where our Premika Vardhan and Madhuri Sakhi are residing. Sadgurunatha Maharaj ki Jai. Let us all recite this 8 verses together before we move on to Madhura Gita.
करुणापाङ्गलेशेन प्रेमभक्तिप्रदायकं बन्धानामपि दीनानां प्रेमिकवरदं भजे नित्यं मधुरपुरीमेव भावयन् जीवनं सदा दिव्यलीलाकेलिलोलं प्रेमिकवरदं भजे श्रीकुर्वन् निजभक्तानां कैङ्कर्याणि सकौतुकं सन्तुष्टं तेषु सततं प्रेमिकवरदं भजे स्वदेशे च विदेशे च स्वभक्तान् यस्तं सङ्कल्पमात्रेण प्रेमिकवरदं भजे सकृद्दर्शनदानेन भक्तचित्तापहारकं मोहनं मन्मदाकारं प्रेमिकवरदं भजे वहन्तं दृढभक्तानां वारासहजलीलया इहापि परलोकेऽपि प्रेमिकवरदं भजे नित्यति श्रीहरे नाम सत्यो भक्तानने स्वयं यत्सन्निधौ सम्प्रविष्टे प्रेमिकवरदं भजे सलीलं प्रेम साम्राज्य राजेन्द्रं माधुरी सखी श्रेष्ठं सिंहासनारूढं प्रेमिकवरदं भजे